Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. And I'll read from the seller's statement at the auction. And seller stated, frame on restoration, 3,900 miles ago. Numbers matching 427, 425 horsepower, L72 engine. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, side pipes, knockoff wheels with new tires, leather interior. This car is fully restored. Everything is like new. And it sold for $100,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a nice car. It was done to a very high standard. Definitely a looker. 66 being the only year that you could get the L72, the 425 horse 427. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe with a frame-on restoration done 3,900 miles ago. And it had a numbers matching L72 427 with 425 horsepower and a 4-speed, power steering, brakes, factory side pipes, and knockoff wheels with leather interior, new tires. And it was fully restored, everything like new. And it sold for $100,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.